Welcome to our exploration of digital marketing in today's technology-driven world. The way businesses compete has transformed dramatically, making a strong online presence essential. In this era, your website is not just a digital entity. It's a crucial player in the market. Join us as we delve into how your website can significantly influence your digital marketing strategy and help you stand out in a crowded digital space. Let's start by understanding what website marketing really entails. It's the deliberate promotion of your website to attract visitors who could become your customers. While attracting more visitors can increase your chances of sales, it's essential to target the right audience. For instance, attracting visitors who are genuinely interested in your products is more valuable than random traffic. It's about connecting with those who will value what your business offers. Content marketing is an art form. It's about creating content that informs, entertains, and connects with your audience. For example, if you specialize in makeup products, sharing tips on finding the perfect foundation shade can be a game changer. This approach not only educates your audience but also draws in those interested in your offerings. Remember, 91% of B2B marketers use content marketing to reach their audience, and 86% of B2C marketers view it as a key strategy. Effective content marketing can transform your website into a customer magnet. Now, let's talk about SEO or search engine optimization. It's about enhancing your website's visibility when people search for your products or services. High visibility means a higher chance of attracting attention. The reality is stark. Being on the second or third page of search results dramatically reduces your chances of being found. SEO involves using the right keywords and optimizing your site, so you rank higher in search results, bringing more targeted traffic to your site. Incorporating email marketing, PPC, and social media marketing into your digital strategy can exponentially increase your reach. These techniques complement your website, creating a holistic digital presence. Effective use of these strategies can lead to more visitors, and importantly, more sales. Studies show that email marketing can yield an ROI of 122%, and social media marketing plays a crucial role in new customer acquisition. Remember, your website is the cornerstone of these efforts, offering detailed information about your products and services. In summary, your website is an invaluable ally in your digital marketing endeavors. It's a platform where different strategies like content marketing, SEO, PPC, and social media converge to elevate your business's online presence. If you're looking to leverage your website to its full potential, consider partnering with experts who can tailor a strategy specific to your needs. Thank you for joining us in this digital marketing journey. For more insights or assistance in elevating your digital marketing strategy, don't hesitate to contact us at Effeect Agency. Remember, with the right strategy, your website can be your most powerful marketing tool.